I've been to many rallies in India. This is my first time in Reddy Himalaya. It is the toughest rally of India. I can't compare any rally with Reddy.
Yeah, it gets cold. It's high altitude and the oxygen level is really low. Your energy levels also go down, so you need to keep your energy reserves.
This particular rally teaches you patience, endurance, strength, willpower. So it's just not about racing. It's these particular 6 days is something that, for me, actually, it's been a journey of a lifetime.
Welcome everybody to the 16th Maruti Suzuki Reddy Himalaya. Over the years, we've been organizing this event ever since 1999. We were 3 enthusiasts, all from Simla.
So it's been a long way now. In India, I don't think anybody has done so many rallies which our club has done.
We stayed with it, we pushed the standards, we pushed the safety standards, we set a huge number of landmark achievements, let's say, for motorsport in India, including the GPS tracks, including the way road books are made today. We used technology right from the start, and whatever was new, we tried it, and it fit with what we were, attempting to achieve.
I always wanted to do something, fast. Here I am this year, next week.
I want to complete it, I want to enjoy the race, and I know if I can complete it really fast and quick, I want to be up there.
People, they have a mindset, girls cannot drive good, and above that they are driving on hills, and that too at that terrain. So yeah, people question you. My only aim this time is to complete it. I'm not competing with anyone. I just want to finish the race.
I've been to the raid before as a service crew for TVS Racing Team before, just to take a look. This is in 2011. It's not like any other rally here. Because of the altitude differences here, the engine kind of takes a bad toll. So you got to really keep it updated every day for you to finish the whole race. The whole point of Raid the Himalaya is not to win it. You just have to complete it, because that's the bigger task than winning as a whole. So I think if you just complete it, I think it's very much close to winning it.
रेड को फिनिश करना ये सबसे बड़ी बात है। अगर न्यू कमर्स के लिए तो अगर रेड आप फिनिश भी करेंगे 6 दिन अगर आप सर्वाइव करेंगे तो बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। तो अब हम तो वैसे मुकाम में पहुंचे, हमें तो जीतना ही पड़ेगा। कुछ भी करके अगर चलना है तो नंबर 1 पर ही चलना पड़ेगा।
You know, I thought let's start from the top, and actually started from the Himalayan Rally. No, I woke up one day and I saw the ad, Break the Himalayas, and that got to me. I've been wanting to experience this for a very long time. I read the ad and I said, "Chalo yaar, karte."
Stage 1, a little rocky, too narrow, slightly slick everywhere, so we couldn't move up the gearbox, so it was mostly like third, fourth.
तो हर साल की तरह कंपटीशन इस बार भी टफ है। पहला और 2 दिन जो थोड़ा टफ रहते हैं, तो इसमें बचा कर रखें। बाकी 3 या 4 दिन आपके पास टाइम है मेकअप करने के लिए। टाइम अगर आप लूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मेकअप करने के लिए टाइम बहुत सारा है।
Some ice on the wooden bridge. I was kind of entering a little too fast. There was a corner up ahead, so I think I was checking my front brake, and the next second I know I hit the ground.
Very rough road, and speed is also achievable, but see, sometimes the car is over it, now stuck. So how can I go over that?
To be able to do something for 16 years, you really need to be passionate about it. Sponsors supported us on that, and Maruti said, no problem, you go for it.
Maruti has been doing this event for so many years, but we'd like to see more manufacturers come into motorsport, build their factory teams, give chances to young drivers as well as experienced drivers, right? And grow motorsport in the country. After all, we're a country of over 1 billion people.
From 18 entries, we are now up to, our best was 172. And we have to limit the, entries, not because of lack of people, but because of lack of accommodation on the other side of Rohtang Pass.
वो फर्स्ट स्टेज भी हमारे लिए काफ़ी अच्छी रही थी और सेकंड स्टेज जो ग्रैंड टू लोसर थी लेग 2 भी काफ़ी अच्छी रही है। तो अभी हम लीड कर रहे हैं, शायद 3 या 4 मिनट से लीड कर रहे हैं। तो आज लेग 3 शुरू है, तो अभी इसमें आज 3 स्टेजें होनी है, एक रिपीट होगी और एक सिंगल टाइम होगी। तो कोशिश करूँगा इस बार भी थोड़ा सा अपनी जो अपनी लीड है वो मेंटेन करूँ।
We're going strong, and it feels good to be top on the gypsy category for that matter, and in the car category in total we're running 3rd as per now, and we plan to keep it that way.
Technically, raid is very battering for the car. It's like very tough for the driver also, I'll say, because the climate, the oxygen level, and plus the terrain, which is like very hard.
My 9th extreme. Some have been really good, some haven't been as good, so I haven't really finished all of them.
अगर आप रेसिंग ट्रैक में अगर रेसिंग करेंगे एक ट्रैक में 20 बार तो एक रेड के बराबर है। तो रेड को फिनिश करना ही सबसे बड़ी बात है।
So far so good, I think.
The SUVs get grounded, there is water flowing, landslides are a possibility.
Raid is always full of action, full of adventure, and the raid is only for the toughest. The weather has been fantastic, but all of a sudden when we left Kaza this morning, the weather seemed to have closed in.
हिमालय इज़ द वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट रैली एडिशन, और इतनी हाइट पे जाके इतने अच्छे आइस वाले ट्रैक्स, इतने कोल्ड वेदर में राइड करना, नॉट अ लिटिल थिंग।
Yeah, we are having fun. Having fun. It's fresh, no? I think we can drive on this.
gonna take a time because bikers are a little stuck and the snow is getting hard. So it might take some time, and especially when we go down the hill, once we cross Kunjam, then it's gonna be a little hard, you know. Uphill it's still better, downhill it's gonna be a little tricky. We're not getting no traction actually. If you look at bikers, they are getting all around, and we also need momentum. We can't break in between. That's why we're waiting for the bikers to clear the route so that we can go in momentum and clear the route.
You have an 8-hour run now from here to Salchu. It's a free run.
We started off 7th today, so we were hoping that we'll make up time again today over here, but unfortunately due to the snow again we didn't get that chance. So let's see what happens tomorrow.
It's amazing, huh? Everywhere is slipping. So are the humans.
Harry, hairpin clear. Aja, second low. Kuch nahi chuna tere ko.
It is fearful when you're trying to climb down from 15,000 feet with your two wheels spinning and the car going left and right, because the sheer drops and clouds and snow and everything else around it just makes it a lot more scarier than it is.
The marshals are mostly ex-participants from various rallies who offer their help to us. It is a big part of running the raid. Any adventure lover is welcome here to participate and help us during the raid because of its very tough kind of a nature.
Places in this country where you actually come to terms with your equation with what you are and what nature expects of you.
जो पहला स्टार्ट था 6:14 के आसपास था, तो विजिबिलिटी बहुत कम थी, 50 मीटर की विजिबिलिटी थी। तो हम काफ़ी हमने स्टार्ट में बहुत पुश की थी गाड़ी को। तो 2.5 किलोमीटर बाद शार्प टर्न आता था, तो जैसे अभी टायर गर्म भी नहीं हुए थे, ग्रिप लेवल भी बिल्कुल ज़ीरो था। क्रेस्ट पर हम इतने तेज़ से कि मतलब पूरी कोशिश की हमने कंट्रोल करने की जितना हो सकता था, कि लास्ट में जाके गाड़ी टॉपल हुई
गया।
और जो सेकंड कार थी जो अभिषेक मिश्रा की थी, तो मैं नीचे से बाहर आने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि मुझे ये लगा कि सेकंड कार भी रुकने वाली नहीं है। तो मैं नीचे से उसको रोकने के लिए ऊपर आ ही रहा था कि वो सेकंड कार भी फ्लाइंग होते हुए जहाँ हम गिरे थे वहाँ थोड़ा सा आगे वो भी गिरे, तो मतलब वो पॉइंट ही ऐसा था।
So that's the end of their rally, but not of their participation in the sport, thanks to the technology involved.
Eventually what it boils down to is, there is no jugaad out there.
It's one of the most difficult terrains. And of course, you know, you have sub-zero temperatures, snow, ice and wind chill.
Till now, whatever rallies I've seen, including Rally of Finland, WRC rallies I've seen, Raid has been the best and has been the most toughest, for sure.
the rallies where the challenge is raw that the competitor remembers. He remembers fighting for every inch on icy roads and stuff like that. You have to grab the competitor in a much more visceral way. You got to give him mud, leeches, ice, rocks, fallen trees. That is a challenge. That is a real rally.
I've done raid before, different experience, but amazing. I actually really like this raid better than the other ones.
One in a lifetime, I think. Like nothing I thought will come to this level of hardness.
I've done few races around the world, but I would say raid is something else. It's completely different.
Oh, raid in one word, bliss. This is my meditation.
It is the question of what kind of a mindset you have to keep on creating after every half an hour, 1 hour. I think it's a great journey.
It is the highest rally in the world. So it is phenomenally tough in terms of everything that you could think of, in terms of the cold weather, in terms of ice on the road, in terms of endurance, pace and the terrain, everything. It's one of the hardest rallies.
End of the day, without the possibility of an impossible challenge, the human being is nothing at all. We have to have a challenge for us. We can't just sit back and say, okay, I'm going to let the rest of my life just go by.